Alright, so this is a video on how to translate a document from English to Spanish in the same format. So what you have to do is highlight everything in the first document by clicking and pressing on the keyboard Control-A twice to highlight everything, and then you click Control-C to copy it. Then you go to Microsoft Word and you open a blank document. Then you paste with Control-V and you go to the top where you can translate the entire document. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Review, then click Translate, and Translate Documents. On the right, it will ask what language. We're going to click English to Spanish. We click Translate, and now you have a document fully in Spanish. Then you hit Control-A and then Control-C to copy it. Go back to OneNote, add a new page, and you paste in with Control-V so you can type in your own document that's fully in Spanish. You also can save your document in Microsoft Word by going to File, Save, click it on your OneDrive, go to your folder for Computer App Life. If you don't have one, you can add a folder and do that. And that is how you get your document in Computer App Life. Where's my recording?